What is going on, everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to bring your photos alive in CapCut PC. So what we want to do is add our photo to the timeline. I just added a photo of a view in Dubai, and now we want to add a effect. So if you want to create a photo which is alive, then just simply select some kind of effect into it. What you can do, you can select any effect you want. For now on, I create a texture, and after that I will, no. I will go to light effect and then select the sci-fi scan. I will drag it to my timeline, and now I will play the video or the photo with the bring to life effect. Just click on play, and now your video or your photo is brought alive. So hopefully this video was very fun or helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We would like to see you in the next one. Cheers!